Again, it should be remarkable. This is a third degree polynomial. Looking at the coefficients, you get 1, 4, -4, and -1. And there's something remarkable about that. If you look at it, if I just get those terms to be themselves, 1, 4, -1, well, the way I would do that is just pick x to be 1. And that's going to give me a 0, just by looking at it. So what do you get over here? 1 plus 4. I'm plugging it in to verify that it's a root, -4, -1, which of course is 0. So what do I now know? I know x minus 1 is a factor. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down the remaining quadratic. I'm not going to do it by long division though. It's going to be x squared plus bx plus 1 equals 0. And let's see if we can do that. And surely I get the x cubed in the beginning. I get the -1 in the end. My concern is getting the 4x squared. How would you do that? It would be minus x squared plus bx squared would equal 4x squared. All right? So what do you get? -1 plus b would have to equal 4. So b has to be equal to 5. I'll get my eraser out. Erase that now. And I'll put it in. So it's going to be plus 5x. Now there's no way I could factor that, so I can use a quadratic formula. So one of the roots again is 1, and I'm trying to find the roots of this guy over here. Set it equal to 0, so 0 equals x squared plus 5x plus 1, x equals, what do you get there? Let's take a look at it. And you're going to get what? Twice the a in the bottom, 2, minus the b, plus or minus, got to be careful, b squared is 25, minus 4 times a times c, which is 4. So you get x equals -5 plus or minus the root of 21 over 2. Well, we got some roots over here, and let's write the roots down. The roots are as follows. We found 1 to be 1, and then I found 2 others. Let's write them down. -5 plus root 21 over 2 -5 minus root 21 over 2. I'm also going to write down the reciprocals of each of them. All right? What's the reciprocal? And again, we're putting down the reciprocals now. What's the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now, the reciprocal of the next one, I'll write this down for you. It's actually 2 minus 5 plus root 21. I'm going to write that a little bit differently. I'm going to write it as root 21 minus 5 over 2. I'm going to try to rationalize it by multiplying top and bottom by root 21 plus 5. What do you get on top? Let's see, you get 2 times root 21 plus 5. And on bottom, what do you get? You would get 21 minus 25. What does that give me? 2 root 21 plus 5 minus 4. This reduces nicely. You're going to get minus 2 on the bottom. I'll just put the minus on top, though. And you're going to get minus root 21 minus 5. I'll write that down for you. Write down a little bit different order, though. Minus 5 minus root 21 over 2. Well, let's do the next one. The next one I'm going to do is the reciprocal of that third term over here. So you can get 2. I'll put the minus on the top then. It's going to be 5 plus root 21. I'm going to multiply by 5 minus root 21 to rationalize the bottom. What do you get on the bottom? Well, you get a little better. Just 25 minus 21 is 4. On top you get minus 2 times 5 minus root 21. I'm going to reduce it. That's 2. You get minus 5 plus root 21 over 2. And write that down. And again, what are we noticing? Look, this, and this. And that's a good thing to know. And they're pretty easy to verify, by the way. All right, so let's see what we got over here. I think we did okay on that one. All right, so let me just remind you who I am. Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.